Whenever we're developing a new product, our goal is to make your life simpler. We're always looking for the challenges and the difficulties that the carpet cleaner has, especially with the types of products that they're using. Powders that do not dissolve completely, or they don't dissolve fast enough, or they plug the pickup lines or the jets on a wand. We are very excited to tell you about a new product called Ultrapac Extreme. This new product is a powder detergent and a higher alkalinity detergent using the latest technology that you will see in the market today. We're using nanotechnology with this product, and the cleaning performance is exceptional. The Ultrapac Extreme is a product designed for a heavily soiled environment as well as residential. It's a Prespray. It's a fast dissolving product, so you can easily dilute 16 ounces per gallon of water. It will dissolve fast and completely without necessary excessive mixing of the product. Research and development of the Ultrapac Extreme has been a quite extensive process for us, with over 4 months of day in, day out work and analysis with it, developing a lot of technologies in which will go into this product. We have a powder that dissolves fast, completely. You get more product into your container. It is more cost effective, and it cleans better than any other product in the market today.